My name is Deshmukh Ranjit. My today's Java topic name is instantiation in and inheritance in Java. Is an instantiation to define a universal and straightforward concept in Java programming, creating new instantiation of object to be used in programming. In this section, intern state class and with the way to create instances or object of the class. The inheritance instantiation means to call the constructor of a class that create in instances or object of the type of that class. In other words, creating and object of the class is called instantiations. It concept that entail memory for the object returns a reference and object instantiation in Java. In Java, provide the blend point for the class. In inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java, a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties of behavior of a parents object. It is an important part of OOPS, object oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. You inherit from an existing class. You can redo the methods and fields of the parent classes. You can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance inheritance represent is a relationship which is also known as the parent child relationship. Why use inheritance in Java? For methods overriding. Also runtime polymorphism can be achieved. For color. Thank you.